What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to accept all the changes in Grammarly. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Grammarly, or you can simply type in app.grammarly.com. Now, after that, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Grammarly. So if you are new to Grammarly, just simply sign in with your email and your password. But if you already have a Grammarly account, you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of Grammarly. Now, after coming here, you can open your recent Google documents, or you can go to Google Documents and create a new document. So as you can see, this is my recent Google document, and from here, when I click on this mistake, it shows me on the right side to accept this, and after accepting, it just clears my mistakes. For example, if I choose this gives me the suggestions, and as you can see, this one is the pro suggestion, but if you want the normal free suggestions, Grammarly provides you these free suggestions. Like if you make a spelling mistake, Grammarly tells you to correct it, or it automatically corrects it. And from here you can access the Grammarly AI to improve your document, to identify any gaps, or here are some more ideas that you can see from and use to improve your document and the overall reading of your document. And from here, when you click on review suggestions, this will review your document and tell you the mistakes that you have made on your documents. And when you click on write with generative AI, you give it a command to improve your document, so it will improve your document. And for AI and plagiarism check, you need to take a premium, but if you want a free AI text and plagiarism checker, just simply download this extension called Plagiarism Checker from Google Extensions or Google Web Store. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.